So we touched on this a little bit yesterday, but XRP has been retracing for a little while now. We actually lost our crucial support level at 68 cents. So in this video, we're going to talk about the potential for XRP to actually retrace all the way back down to about 50 cents before finally surging back up to that $1 level. And for some, it's upsetting, but if you're a long-term investor, this is probably a good thing. And especially if you're a long-term investor that maybe missed the boat on adding more XRP than you would have liked. So this could provide another opportunity for people to buy the dip. And I know I would like to have more XRP in my portfolio because I think, we have more clarity on where this thing is going, and the partial victory in the lawsuit. Actually, I would say more than a partial victory. It was a big win for the retail side, right? For retail investors. I think it has a lot of people excited now, and there's probably going to be some pent-up demand if we go back and retrace down to that 50-cent level before we come back up. We just stopped short of that $1 level on the heels of the news breaking. Now, a popular crypto analyst has recently suggested that XRP could head down to 50 cents, and a full retrace of the SEC lawsuit news is coming. This is what he says, and we'll get acceptance back into its range, back down to 50 cents. Because if you think about it, this was somewhat of an artificial pump, right? It was a pump based on some hype from the lawsuit, but nothing really has materialized in the cryptocurrency market from the standpoint that we're still kind of in the same spot, right? A lot of our altcoins have not moved yet. So we had this pump, right, of 80, 90%. It was a lot of FOMO. And now I think some of the whales are taking their profits off the table because we have not had a real bull run start within altcoins, okay? It's all been kind of looked at with Bitcoin only here. 2023 has been a Bitcoin year. There's no doubt about it. And some of that is by design, I think, with the uncertainty that some of the governing bodies have put around altcoins. But otherwise, I think people are looking at Bitcoin as just a great investment right now. Keep in mind, late last year, Bitcoin was way down at 15K. But in saying all of that, this provides a massive opportunity because XRP came from 47 cents in mid-June all the way up to 80 cents after news on the ruling came out. This happened within hours, right? And over the past 7 days, XRP has lost about 10% of its value. You could see it dialing back here a little bit. If we go back out to CoinMarketCap, we can see what's happening here. Bitcoin and Ethereum actually tracing down a little bit too. Here is XRP sitting back here at 66 cents. We talked about this yesterday, guys, and the importance of closing at 68 cents. We did not do so. Okay, we dialed back and we fell all the way back to about 65 cents, and volume is pretty down here in the last 24 hours, down 19%. And you could see what's going on here. XRP trading at about 66 cents right now. And again, this provides, I think, a great opportunity for people who missed the boat and missed this run up. So it is worth noting that the same analyst underscored XRP's failure to turn the 82 resistance into a support line. Once we lost that, things started to spiral downwards, and then we had the 68 cent resistance that became support. We lost it there, and now we have the potential retracement all the way back down to 50 cents. Now, Johnny, the analyst here, maintains that a $1 mark is achievable. He says that it may not materialize in the near future, but as soon as we kind of get back into better sentiment around the overall altcoin market, that we'd get there. And Crypto Globe reported various analysts have recently been making bullish predictions on the price of XRP, with one analyst predicting a possible 430% rise, and that could see a rally all the way up there toward all-time highs at $3.74. Notably, a lot of institutional investors appear to be moving in as well on XRP. We just haven't had a lot of retail demand, coupled with that. But also, there's been a lot of funds out there, big investment funds investing in Cardano, Solana, and XRP. We've seen a lot of money flow into those. In contrast, Ethereum-focused funds saw 1.9 million in outflows, so that's interesting, along with Avalanche as well. So we've seen a lot more money come in to Cardano, Solana, and XRP recently and go out of Ethereum and AVAX, just recently with some of the funds. Maybe that's shuffling around. Maybe it's diversifying, right? I'd have to look at all those numbers and see. I highly doubt that they're getting rid of all their Ethereum and Avalanche. Probably just rebalancing, diversifying. But it's good because they want to get some XRP on the books along with some Solana and Cardano. So listen, I think it's still early days here. So the fact that we might see a retracement back to 50 cents, I think is an overall good thing because it allows people to, add to their bags down at a good price or get in where, they could have before that lawsuit came down. And then next time we do make a nice run up toward $1, more people can experience some of those gains. So we'll see what happens. We'll be keeping tabs on it right here on the channel. Make sure you guys are locked in by subscribing down below. We'll see you in the next video.